Hi everyone, welcome back to Jensen DIY. So I'm going to show you how to change an outside light fixture today. So we're going to go with a bit more modern look. You can see that this is broken right here. Okay, so I already got this undone, so that just pops down off of there.
So this is the light I'm going to install here by Home Decorators Collection. It's an LED energy saver light fixture. And the interesting thing about this is it's supposed to last 25,000 hours. This is basically it's a disposable light. It comes with LED light bulbs, or they call them LED chips. There's a dozen LED chips in here. I'll show you later on when I take this out of the box and install it. But yeah, there is no bulb to change in this. But if you do the math, 25,000 hours, you could leave this on continuously for almost 3 years. So when you think about how much you leave your outside light on, this will probably last, in most cases, up to about 10 years. This is why it helps to be able to do it yourself. You don't have to pay an electrician to do it. It seems kind of strange to me that you can't change a bulb, but I guess that's the way they're making some of them now. I'll leave a link in the description for this, and I got it at Home Depot. It cost me $109, so they're not cheap either. It's kind of nice knowing you don't have to change a bulb really too. So, and you know, most of this is recyclable, and who knows, I mean, after 10 years, you might want to change anyways. It's a nice modern looking light.
The first thing you want to do is turn the power off to this at the breaker panel. So I'm going to turn this light on, and then I'm going to have someone turn the power off and make sure that this light goes out with the breaker off. Okay, go ahead. So you want to score around the outside of the light with a razor knife, just in case there's caulking or paint. So now we can remove this bulb. And there's two nuts, one here and one here we need to remove. Our pliers. So we've got our black hot wire and our white switch leg wire and the ground wire. Quick test to make sure we have no power. We just want to undo our ground wire here now. Take off these morettes. And there we go. There's our old light off. So we got our white. We just want to twist that so you get the nice tight wires. We want to remove these. Let's remove this. This is adjustable, so we just want to undo this. Now this will move. Test the light. So there's a bit of a problem here. This is back too far, so the nuts aren't going to do up onto these. These aren't quite long enough. So what we need to do is move this out. So I'm going to take these out and I'm going to put some spacers in behind to bring this out. I had these where you can use a bunch of washers These are just little pieces of pipe, very small, but washers would work just as well. So that's just gonna fit behind like that. Just like that, just to bring it out. There we go. That should do the trick. Yeah, that's perfect. Just enough sticking out. So first we're going to do our ground. And white to white. Nice and snug. Black to black. And we're just going to tuck these wires back up in here. There's our cap nuts. Make sure it's nice and level before you tighten these all the way up. There we go. And you can caulk around here if you want. I'll probably do that next time we paint, but it doesn't look that bad right now actually, so we'll just leave it like this for now. And then your cover, the bulb is just up in there. And this here has almost like a thread, so that just goes up in here. That's it. I'm gonna go turn the breaker on. So you can see it looks nice too, and it's a great energy saving light fixture. Lasts for 25,000 hours. You never have to worry about changing a light bulb again. All right, well, not that hard. Although I did have to extend the fastener piece out a bit with a couple of little metal pieces, but you can just use washers. Just use like 4 or 5 washers to bring it out. You just put those in behind. It's because of the stucco on this house, so that's why I had to do that, to bring that out a bit. But yeah, it was a pretty easy DIY project. So just make sure that power's off. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.